Hey everybody. In this recording, I just want to talk briefly about validity and what we mean by a valid source when we're doing presentations in this course or really anywhere for the rest of our lives. So presentations or speaking in front of a public audience, whether that audience is in real time, face-to-face, or at distance across time. Um, is about the audience. It's about understanding what your audience accepts as good information, what your audience knows about your topic to start with, and what you want your audience to know about your topic at the end. Okay, if you realize that, and if you think about that your presentation is always going to be about your audience, then you have a handle or a handhold to sort of help you figure out what is going to be valid or not valid evidence to that audience. So it's going to change between audiences. If you are presenting to an audience of scientists on one spectrum, um, the type of evidence that they're going to consider as valid is going to be far different than the type of evidence that a group of theologians would accept as evidence, as valid, right? Because it has to do with the framework of your audience and what they can perceive as acceptable or not. So in this class, this is an academic setting. Our ideas of what's acceptable evidence are pretty laid out in some of the resources that you'll find in our Google Classroom. We'll describe in detail what a valid resource is in an academic setting. But just keep in mind that what's valid changes with the context in which you're presenting, and that it's always about the audience member. Okay.